Now let's get cooking. So we're going to cook 2 pork belly. It's around 2 pounds. So the secret for not getting oil splatters is vinegar. So we're going to rub or soak our pork belly with white vinegar. Make sure you soak your pork belly all over. Roll it around and soak it up. Now with just simple seasoning, salt and pepper, we're going to generously salt our pork on all sides, and then followed by ground black pepper. After seasoning our pork belly, we'll just set this aside and marinate for half an hour. Next, we're going to make our homemade tempura powder mix with equal measure of 1/2 cup all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup cornstarch. We are going to add 1/4 teaspoon onion salt, 1/4 teaspoon garlic salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon paprika. So we'll just mix this all up, and there we go. We already have our tempura powder mix. So we can also cut up our pork belly if it's too long. It's optional, but I will do that. And then we can go ahead and coat our pork belly with our tempura powder mix. Making sure we generously coat our pork belly with our tempura powder mix. Now we can go ahead and fry our pork belly in preheated oil in low to medium heat at least 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. 5 minutes later, still no splatters, so the trick really worked, guys. So just remember to flip your pork belly every 5 minutes to get even cooking and the even golden brown color. So 15 minutes later, our pork belly is already nice and brown. Looks so yummy and crispy. So we can go ahead and cut it up into bite size and serve it with some salad, and voila, you have a perfect crispy yummy pork belly. Very simple and easy to make. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and press the notification bell to get notified for my next video. See you next time. Bye.